What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna aka Mini Marley, and today I am back for a new natural hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my curly hair routine. This is a new wash and go method that I have been obsessed with. If you guys watched my last wash and go video, I literally titled it best wash and go ever because it was amazing. My hair felt so soft, defined, and this is another one of those combos that is just literally perfection. As you guys know, I recently dyed my hair, so I'm really focused on the health of my hair and making sure that my ends are nice and moisturized. So this routine also focuses on that. So yeah, let's just get into this video because I want to show you guys how I got these nice, soft, defined, fluffy curls. So let's get started. Okay, so as usual, I'm starting off with my hair freshly washed. It's nice and detangled and clipped away to make sure that it doesn't tangle up. And for products today, we're going to be using the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Souffle. You guys know I've been raving about it. Love this stuff. And then we're also going to be using castor oil. This is a typical Tropical Isle Living castor oil. I've really been liking it for my ends. And then I'm also using Eco Styler Gel. Yes, this tub is gigantic. And if you're wondering, I really do finish these. I'm all the way at the end of my last tub. I just think it's so much more cost effective because you can fill up your smaller jars with this and your travel size jars. I just love it. And then of course my Denman brush and my clips and my spray bottle are also going to be really useful throughout this tutorial. Alright, so I took down the first side of my hair. I'm just taking out this towel because my hair is pretty wet. I just got out the shower, just washed it. And I like to start by sectioning my hair. You guys know with most of my tutorials I always section my hair first because I just feel like it helps your hair to fall better. It's basically going to fall exactly how you want to wear it. So you should just start by sectioning it off so that everything is in place. You don't have to worry about that later. I'm just sectioning off two parts in the front, and then I'm going to section this back section in half and start working on the lower half. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like with no product in it, undefined, just ready to go. It's pretty much detangled already. It's feeling nice and soft, and I'm gonna go in with that twisting souffle. I'm taking a big chunk of this. Again, this stuff is just so moisturizing. If you haven't tried it yet, please try it, my new favorite. And I'm basically adding this to the entire section. I feel like it's faster to add your moisturizer and your stylers and stuff to a big chunky section and detangle that section, and then all you have to worry about is adding gel as you go. So I'm trying to speed this process up, but I am adding water to this section and really smoothing this product through to make sure that it's getting on every single strand. And I like to detangle my larger section as well, just so that I can make sure that this product is really getting distributed. Now in a smaller section, I'm going to add a little bit of my castor oil, and I'm focusing this on the ends of my hair. So as you guys know, I got my hair colored, and if you follow me on Instagram, then you'll know that I actually recently cut off about 2 inches of my hair because my ends were feeling so dry. But don't worry, we're going to get more into that in my next video or in one of my upcoming videos. But for now, if you're wondering, because you follow me on Instagram, whether or not this is my newly cut hair or this is an older video, I actually filmed this in the past, so my hair is not cut here. But yes, I do like to focus my castor oil on my ends so that I can keep them nice and moisturized. And then as you can see, I'm applying my gel. So right now I'm applying my gel to my roots. That is really important with all of my wash and goes. I always stress that in every video. I like to make sure that I apply gel close to my roots and lay those down as well, because I don't want that area to be puffy. I want everything to be defined. So I do that from the root, and then I define all the way to the tip. As you can see, in each section I am spraying some water from my spray bottle. I find that adding water just really helps your curls to clump together better. So I'm just going to do those same steps. I added water, detangled this section, added some castor oil to the ends of my hair for added moisture to protect my ends. And then I'm adding my gel, starting with the roots, making sure that I focus on those, really smooth them out, get this section to lay flat, and then I bring that gel all the way down my hair shaft. And I really add a lot of gel to my wash and goes these days. I want each and every strand to be curled up. So in the past, I've added, a good good amount of gel, but I didn't need each curl to be curled up. And now I find that this gives me a much better and much more long lasting wash and go. So as you can see every individual curl. Of course, if your curl pattern isn't the same as mine, or you don't have this type of texture, don't be looking for this exact result. You have to know what works for your texture. But this is what works for me, and I did this exact process on this whole back section of my hair, and this is what it looks like. So let's move to the front so that you can get a better view of this. I'm gonna do the exact same thing, just giving you a really quick length check first. And now let's go ahead and wet this section and add our products. I'm adding in that cream twisting souffle first to make sure that the section stays nice and moisturized as I work. And then I'm just going to section it off, add my castor oil, add my gel, and we're just going to define this entire section.
And I thought you would have learned your lesson about liking pictures, not returning texts. I guess it's fine, man, I get the message. You still stutter after certain questions. You keep in contact with certain exes, but do you though?
So sometimes when I get closer to the front of my hair, I do like to shingle my hair, which basically just means that I like to take each curl and, make sure that it's nice and clumped together, curl by curl, because this is the section of my hair that does tend to get the frizziest, the section that I'm working on right now. And as you get closer to the top, this part just really gets frizzy fast and it never stays defined. So in these areas, sometimes I like to clump individual curls and, just really make sure that I have a good amount of gel on this section and everything is really nice and clumped together. I also, of course, smooth down my edges with a little bit more of that Eco Styler gel, lay those down, get them looking sleek. And then I'm just going to move to the next side and do the exact same thing, sped up a little bit. I'm just starting by adding that water to my hair, making sure that I really moisturize this section with that cream. You want to make sure that you're moisturizing your edges as well. In this section, I also put that castor oil on my edges. This is another, problem area that you really want to keep moisturized. So I definitely make sure I add my castor oil there. And then I'm just repeating the same steps with the gel, making sure that I get it on my roots, especially here in the front, because we want this again to be really nice and defined, because this is the part of your hair that tends to be manipulated throughout the week. And we want to make sure that those curls stay popping. So you're going to see in this section how I shingle little areas and I'll, focus on individual curls, because it's worth it to do that when it comes to the front section. Alright, so I've defined all of my curls. I'm slicking down my edges on this final side of my head, and this is what my hair looks like when I've finished applying all of my gel and everything is nice and curled. And here is the finished product after I come out of the dryer. So I've been liking going under the dryer with my wash and goes lately, because they kind of just freeze your curls into place and they don't get manipulated from you sleeping on it or anything like that. So I went to my mom's house, sat under the dryer for a little bit, and now I'm just using an oil serum. This one is by Infusium. I will link it in the description below, but I think it's a professional styling product, but honestly any oil or serum works. I actually don't recommend an oil. I recommend a shine serum, something that gives you more shine than anything else, because we don't want to weigh down these curls. We just want to add some nice shine. So now I'm just breaking the gel cast on my hair. So as you can see, I'm just rubbing my hair through my hands using the praying hands method. And because I add a lot of gel to my roots, I also need to rub my roots kind of like I'm massaging it, and just kind of break that gel cast on my roots as well. Just keep rubbing this hair through my hands, and we just want to make sure that these curls fluff up and they're not hard, because when you come out of the dryer, they are going to be hard. We did use a lot of gel, and yeah, the hair is really going to be stuck in that gel cast. But once you go ahead and rub it in your hands and kind of just wake your hair up, it's going to be so nice and soft. So don't be misled. Don't think that your hair is going to be crunchy after this. Once you break that gel cast, it's so soft. I also just break up some of my curls that might be clumped together, and yeah, this is what my hair pretty much looks like. You don't want to manipulate your hair too much on day one. You can go ahead and leave it like this and let it grow throughout the week. And I just want to show you guys how I maintain my wash and go, how I wear my hair overnight. I basically just take a silk scarf like this one. Well, this is more like a satin scarf. And I just pull it over my hair and tie it all back, as you can see me doing right here. This is literally the only way I wear my hair at night. I'm not a pineapple girl or anything else. This just helps my hair to stay nice and neat in the back. And this is what it looks like the following morning. So if you're wondering if this flattens out my hair, let me just show you guys what it looks like when I take it down. So as you can see with this method of how I sleep with my hair, my curls are still really intact. This really works for me. I never have an issue with it, and all I have to do is just go through and fluff my hair out. I didn't use a pick the day before, so I'm just gonna go in and pick my hair out a little bit. I actually have a photo shoot today, which is why I'm picking it like crazy. But like I said, you do not have to go this hard on day one, because your hair is gonna grow throughout the week, and the less you mess with it and fluff it out, the longer it's going to last. But I had a photo shoot, so I wanted big hair, and these are my results. This is pretty much what the finished product looks like. It's so nice and soft. I find that using a lot of gel to give you really strong definition, but also focusing on moisturizing your hair underneath, gives me the softest and most defined wash and go ever. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any of my videos. That's very important. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it's nice and easy to follow. And let me know in the comments below what you think of this wash and go, and if you've tried this Mielle Organics product. This is new to me. I usually stick with the same old products. So yeah, let me know if you've tried it, and let me know some of your other natural hair favorite products that I should try next. Alright, peace out guys. I'll see you in the next one.